This number is not mystical by itself, but it is deeply mathematical, and its properties cause it to appear again and again wherever growth, balance, and efficiency are involved. Let's break it down clearly and deeply. What the golden ratio actually is. The golden ratio is defined by a simple relationship, a whole divided into two parts where the ratio of the larger part to the smaller part is the same as the ratio of the whole to the larger part. Mathematically, that ratio is 1.6180333988. It never ends. It never repeats. This self-similarity is the key reason it appears so often in natural systems. Why it appears in nature. Nature optimizes for efficiency, stability, and growth. The golden ratio naturally emerges from those conditions. In plants, leaf arrangements often follow this ratio because it allows leaves to receive maximum sunlight with minimal overlap. This pattern is called phyllotaxis. Sunflower seed spirals, pine cones, pineapples, and Romanesco broccoli all display spiral patterns that follow Fibonacci numbers which converge toward the golden ratio as they increase. Shells, including nautilus shells, grow outward in a logarithmic spiral. Each new chamber grows in proportion to the previous one, maintaining shape while increasing size. That proportional growth aligns closely with the golden ratio. Even hurricanes and galaxies form spiral structures that mathematically resemble golden spirals, not because nature is artistic, but because this growth pattern is stable and efficient. The Fibonacci connection. The Fibonacci sequence is a series of numbers where each number is the sum of the two before it: 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34. As the numbers increase, the ratio between consecutive numbers gets closer and closer to 1.618. This is why Fibonacci numbers appear wherever growth builds on itself: plants, populations, and branching systems. The Fibonacci sequence is not the golden ratio, but it points toward it. Why artists use it? The human brain is extremely sensitive to proportion. When elements in an image relate to each other in golden ratio proportions, the composition feels balanced without being symmetrical. Painters and sculptors have used this principle for centuries, not because they believed it was magic, but because it works visually. It guides the placement of horizons, focal points, faces, and body proportions, spacing between elements. The golden ratio creates dynamic balance order with movement. This is why artworks feel right even when viewers don't know why. Architecture and buildings. Architects use proportional systems to ensure structures feel harmonious rather than chaotic. The golden ratio appears in facade proportions, column spacing, window-to-wall relationships, overall building dimensions.